If you're obsessed with all of the Wrangler purses, then you need to see this one. Just got this in the mail. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Ah! So here's my new Wrangler purse. It's leather. Let's open it up. So it has the zipper like the other Wrangler purse that went viral. There's the inside of it. Look how freaking cute this is. This is like nice. It's like really good material and it's large. It's pretty big. It's bigger than the canvas one that went viral. I love that one, but this one feels like super cute momish to me. Ah, so stinking cute. If you like it, grab it from the link below.